Guangdong Juntong Technology Co. Ltd. is a professional manufacturer, rainwater harvesting operation, and companies producing sponge city products. Main products: HDPE large roof siphon drainage, municipal water supply and drainage, communication cable sheath, etc. Products are widely used in airport, high-speed railway station, pulse hall exhibition, car factory. Siphon drainage, water supply pipe, HDPE power pipe, water supply pipe. Juntong people help employees realize their dreams, bring glory to the industry. Our mission is to create value, pioneering innovation, continuously develop products that achieve good results, obtain various honors. Quality is the lifeline of sustainable development of an enterprise. Juntong people carry forward the spirit of strive for excellence, start at the source. For each series of products, specially customized equipment mode, strive to achieve what others do not have. I am better than others. In terms of production process, from raw materials to warehouse, to product, finished product testing, a complete system, pre-sales and after-sales services. We provide product consulting, drawing optimization, one-stop solution for construction tech. Juntong Technology, looking forward to becoming your partner.